Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we can go about troubleshooting issues with our network adapters. From time to time we will have issues with network connectivity, and this can usually be traced to a problem with the network adapter. I always say that when you have an issue with connectivity, always suspect the physical layer, and that's anything you can touch, which includes your network adapters. So if we look at the network adapters, we see that for the most part, if we have a laptop or we have a OEM desktop, that machine comes with a chipset that is built into the motherboard that gives us that network adapter. Now we can also go out and we can purchase additional network adapters that can also replace those onboard chipsets. Now it's not uncommon for onboard chipset to go bad, and when that happens we have to troubleshoot and figure out, is it the chipset or is it the driver? Can I fix this just by resetting my network adapter, or do I need to go out and purchase a third-party network adapter that I can use to fix the issue? Luckily in Windows 10 Microsoft has made this a little bit easier for us. And we can get this process started just by holding down the Windows key and hitting the letter I. This brings up the system settings. And from here we can click on Network and Internet. From here you have complete access to your network adapter properties. And if we scroll down just a little bit, you'll see that we have this option here that says Network Reset. Now the great thing about this feature is that it actually uninstalls the network adapter and then get you a fresh instance of the driver for that network adapter and then reinstalls everything. Now the downside to this is you will lose any static TCP/IP properties you have configured for the adapter. The second downside is that once this reset is completed, you will need to do a restart. But by using this Windows feature, we not only uninstall the network adapter, we also replace the driver with a fresh instance. Now that oftentimes itself is enough to repair the problem. But if it's not, then you know to proceed with getting yourself a new chipset and or a third-party network adapter to fix the connectivity issue. So before you get ready to perform that reset, you can go in, you can view your network properties, and from here you can scroll down and you can create a copy of the current settings for that network adapter before you blow it out. That might be helpful if you have to go back in and do a static configuration. Let's get on back over to the network reset. Now if we go down here and we do the reset, it's going to happen rather quickly. So it gives you a warning. This will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So if you've gone into the advanced properties of your network adapter thinking that you could optimize your network connectivity just a little bit more and things got hosed, now you have a way to recover and get back to the default settings for those advanced features of your network adapter as well. You also might need to reinstall other network software afterwards, such as a VPN client software or any virtual switches. So let's go ahead and perform the reset now. And it asks, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? We'll go ahead and say yes. Now this is performing a NetSH type reset. So it's going to take about 30, 40, maybe 90 seconds for all this to complete. And once it does, it's going to go ahead and do a restart. You can go ahead and close that. And if you want to, you can go ahead and speed up that reset just by going over to your start button and doing a restart. One more caveat before you blow out that network adapter. Make sure you've gone to the OEM site and you've found the network adapter driver and made a copy of it. You can place it on your desktop. You can place it on a thumb drive. So before you blow out that adapter, make sure you have a way to recover that driver just in case Windows can't find it. And the other upside to that is getting a fresh driver will probably also give you the latest version of that driver. And that can oftentimes fix another connectivity issue because the manufacturer has identified that there is an issue and has compiled a new driver to fix the issue. And so that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about resetting our network adapters in Windows 10. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns about any of the information that was provided for you in this short video presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.